Vanakkam, Krishna Mackenzie. Today I'm going to show you an awesome recipe. It's a traditional Tamil recipe and it's called manga pachari. Now manga pachari uses green mango. It's grated and cooked up with jaggery and it's what we would call in England mango chutney. Let's see if we can find some. These small mangoes that would be left to rot are what we're going to make this delicious manga pachari with. Let's go to the kitchen. So the first thing to do is to peel these mangoes. And you just peel them exactly like potatoes. Take a peeler and take the skin off. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut it into little chunks. The next step is just to cut this into small pieces. It can also be grated if the mango is big enough to grate it, but small chunks is also fine like this. So we can add that in here, like this. The next step is we'll go to the gas and we're gonna heat some mustard seed and red chili. So first add some oil. That's like, I don't know, maybe 3 spoons of oil. And this is gonna get really hot. When it's hot, we're gonna add the mustard. Next, we're gonna add 1 nice spoon of mustard. A little spoon like that of mustard. And the mustard will start to pop. There we go, popping away. The next is we're gonna add in these dry chilies. I've got like 4 or 5 dry chilies here. We're just gonna break them up and add them to the hot oil. This is cooked for about a minute and we're going to put the mango in. Now the mango goes in there, just cools it all down. If you leave it too long, the chili will burn quite quickly. So you don't want to put it too long. It's just like, it's about, 20 seconds. You can start smelling, it's like... Now we're going to cook the mango for about 5 minutes in here, stirring it well. So now we're going to add 2 cups of water to the mix. So you can see the quantity of water is just that it's sort of floating in it, just about, So now we put about a spoonful of salt in here. We're just going to mix that really well. And the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to close the lid for about 10 minutes and let it really cook in that water for a while. So now you can see the mango is really, it's absorbed all that water, water's evaporated, it's really cooked in there. And now we're going to add about 1.5 spoons of chili powder to that. Mix that really in nicely. So the next step is to add about half a little bowl there of jaggery. This is organic jaggery that we add in there. And this will make it sweet. We mix this up for a couple of minutes now. And then it's ready. Now, you can taste it at this point and see if it's sweet enough for you. So, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It depends how you want it more sweet. If you want it more sweet, add a little bit more jaggery. It's as simple as that. And the last step for this beautiful thali is a nice spoonful of this manga pachari. You just pop it in there and you have a beautiful local meal with no ecological cost, honouring Mother Nature, honouring a cultural, nutritional identity. Please have a look at our membership option for the YouTube video. You can learn a lot. It's a way to be direct in contact with me personally. and it's super interesting. Just have a look at it, hit the notification bell, please subscribe to this channel, share it everywhere, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much.